Welcome to you in 14th lecture of alcohol, phenols and ethers. Today we study for chemical properties of ethers. We divide chemical properties of ethers in three parts: reactions of cleavage of CO bond, reactions of alkyl group, and electrophilic substitution in aryl ethers. First we go chemical properties of ethers. Their first point, the reaction of cleavage of CO bond. Like this is CH3O CH2 CH3 है. ये जो बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा आपका CO बॉन्ड, ठीक है, इस बॉन्ड के ब्रेक होने के रिएक्शंस हम लोग इस पार्ट में देखेंगे. Now we go some common reactions like their reaction with PCl5. Clear? How PCl5 reacts? See here, they are C2H5. This ether molecule reacts with phosphorus pentachloride in this way. This is PCl5. How it is react? It forms ethyl chloride. It forms also ethyl chloride, and there phosphoric chloride POCl3. There are 2 moles of C2H5Cl and 1 mole of POCl3 forms. Clear? Now next, the reaction with acetyl chloride. Clear? How it reacts with acetyl chloride? See here. This is the formula of acetyl chloride. This is. Then it reacts with diethyl ether. It reacts in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. What forms? See here. This is. And next part, CH3COC2H5 ester molecule forms. This is ethyl acetate and ethyl chloride. Clear? Now come on, third number, reaction with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride, what is the formula? First we go. This is acetic anhydride. It reacts with ether molecule and gives 2 moles of ester in this way. This reacts. This is ester and this is also ester molecule. So it forms ester molecule in this way. Now we go next. There. Reaction with dilute H2SO4. Then it reacts with dilute H2SO4 in this way. Solution, it gives alcohol molecules in this way. It gives alcohol. Next, very important reaction, action of hydrogen halides like HCl, HBr and HL. Clear? This order of reactivity is in this case. HCl is least reactive, so they are easily react HI and HBr with ethers. How they react? See here. Like suppose they are, this reacts HI to give and we are R dash OH. Clear? The one molecule goes with one carbon chain and other I with other carbon chain. So one molecule of alcohol, one molecule of ether. But if HI is taken in excess, HI is taken in excess and you heat it, then you know alcohol molecule also reacts with HI to give another molecule of iodide and H2O molecule. It occurs in two steps. In the same way, if you take an aryl ethers, like this also reacts with HI. Clear? And it gives one iodide molecule and other is the OH group. Clear? It forms CH3I and phenol molecule. Clear? This bond broken. Clear? Halide molecule always goes with alkyl group, never with benzene ring. Clear? ये ध्यान रखेंगे आप. इसको हम लोग एनिसोल भी कहते हैं. इसे हम लोग एनिसोल भी कहते हैं. ध्यान रखें. उसका रीजन है भी बताऊंगा मैं आपको. एक्चुअली हमारे पास में ये पॉजिटिव पार्ट है, ये नेगेटिव पार्ट है. और जो आपके एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स हैं, ठीक है, वो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन देते हैं इजीली, नॉट न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशंस. तो ये न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशंस नहीं दे पाते हैं, इसलिए आपका ऐसा होता है. मवी वो इससे रिएक्शन के हम लोग मैकेनिज्म देखते हैं. आइए वो देखते हैं. द सेम रिएक्शन, जैसे मान लीजिए सपोज दिस रिएक्शन इज गिवन with HI, so it gives CH3I and C2H5OH. Smaller group goes with iodine. क्यों? वो ये लोग देखेंगे मैकेनिज्म में. ठीक है ना? And if HI is present in excess and you heat it, then it gives again iodide and H2O. Clear? This is really SN2 mechanism reaction. How SN2 mechanism? See here. देखते हैं इसके मैकेनिज्म स्टेप्स देखते हैं हम लोग. मैकेनिज्म देखते हैं इस रिएक्शन का. We go first step. फर्स्ट स्टेप देखते हैं हम लोग. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होता है भाई वो देखते हैं. रियली HI attacks on ether to produce iodide and clear and protonated ether. कैसे है आइए वो देखते हैं. You know it is the positive part and it is the negative part in HI. Clear? Now, electron pairs are available on oxygen atom. Electron pairs are available on oxygen atom. Due to highly acidic nature, it easily gives proton and iodide. Clear? This proton attacks on this center. What forms? CS3. And this got positive charge. And iodide ions separate out. Now you go. Second step. In second step, what happens? This iodide ion further attack it is the slowest step of the reaction. यहाँ पे slowest step होता है actually. This attack on इसका अब देखें ध्यान से यहाँ पर आपका जो है जब ये अटैक करेगा तो it gives intermediate stage it forms this intermediate stage. It finally gives CS3I because it is strong than this and forms CS3 CS2OH. ये पार्ट आपका बन करके यहाँ पर गया. Clear? Now further, third step, if HI in excess and heated, then it reacts with C2H5OH. फर्दर रिएक्ट करेगा हमारे पास में another molecule. It reacts on heating. Again reacts. It is a positive part. It's negative part. Clear? Hence, electron pairs are available. It attacks on this center. ये आपका I तो अलग हो जाएगा. Clear? And this proton adds with oxygen to give protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol. Now further, this iodide ion attacks on this further attacks on the center and it gives this bond is broken, it loses water molecule and it gives ethyl iodide. Clear? This is suppose if you take in 2 degree or 3 degree, ether then what happens? अब इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है यहाँ पर ये प्लस है ये माइनस है. ये पार्ट हमारे पास में आपका जो दो पार्ट हमारे पास में सेपरेट हो रहे हैं यहाँ से. आई किसका साथ जाएगा? इसके साथ जाएगा या इसके साथ जाएगा. ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम है. ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा कि ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा हमारे पास. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दे आर CS3 goes with OH. ठीक है, ये बॉन्ड अब ब्रेक होकर के आपका ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. क्यों ब्रेक होगा? ये बॉन्ड क्यों नहीं ब्रेक होगा हमारे पास में? अभी बताते हैं इसके मैकेनिज्म में आपको, ठीक है ना। और जो आपका मेजर पार्ट हमारे पास में है, इट फॉर्म्स आयोडाइन। क्यों ऐसा होगा आइए वो देखते हैं, इसके मैकेनिज्म स्टेप। ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक नहीं होगा बल्कि ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा एंड CH3OH will go with H forms methyl group। क्यों आइए देखते हैं हम लोग। फर्स्ट स्टेप, ये आपका स्लो स्टेप एक्चुअली में यहां पर ध्यान दीजिए, यहां पे आपके इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है, इट एडेड विद H+ आयन, in this way it is protonated ether forms. What will be in the second step? ये आपका पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा इस पर, अब देखिए बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, बॉन्ड कौन सा ब्रेक होना है, ये वाला ये वाला। इसको हमारे पास में इलेक्ट्रॉन कहां से मिलेंगे, बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, इसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज कैसे खत्म होगा। देखिए यदि इस बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक, तो CH3+ बनेगा, और इस बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करेंगे तो आपका CH3 2 टाइप्स कार्बोकैटायन बनने के चांसेस, एंड यू नो इन द कार्बोकैटायंस 3 डिग्री is more stable than 2 डिग्री and 2 डिग्री is more stable than 1 डिग्री। तो वो आयंस बनेंगे जो मोर स्टेबल, 3 डिग्री मोर स्टेबल, तो इसके बनने के चांसेस हैं, ना कि इसके हमारे पास। तो व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस बॉन्ड इज ब्रोकन, it forms CH3OH। clear? It is a slow step. In slow step only one species are present, so it is SN1 reaction। ये ध्यान रखेंगे, SN1 reaction mechanism। Now third step is a fast step where carbocation reacts with iodide ion to give final product tertiary butyl iodide in this। Now we go reactions of alkyl group। अल्काइल ग्रुप के रिएक्शंस देखते हैं हम लोग। जैसे पहला आपका है डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ ईथर। यू हीट at 380 degrees centigrade in presence of alumina. You know what happens? It gives ethylene and gives H2O molecule in this way. This is in the same way action of chlorine. There are two type reactions. In dark, what happens? There are one alpha hydrogens are replaced by chlorine, one alpha hydrogen, it forms, this is clear? It is called alpha dash dichlorodiethyl ether. In the same way, in presence of sunlight, what happens? All hydrogens are replaced by chlorine. Like this is C2 Cl5O, C2 Cl5. This is per dichlorodiethyl ether. In the same way, action of sunlight and air, formation of peroxide actually method. Hence, it gives this is compound. This is diethyl peroxide. It is a poisonous in nature. आपको मालूम है ईथर का यूज हम लोग एज एनेस्थेटिक एजेंट के रूप में भी करते हैं, बट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इट इज हार्मफुल. अब ईथर आपका प्योर है कि नहीं कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे आप? उसके लिए सिंपल सी बात है, आप ईथर लीजिए, उसमें फेरस सल्फेट ऐड करिए, ठीक है ना, और साथ में आप बेसिक मीडियम ऐड करिए इसमें और मिलाइए KCNS. ईथर लीजिए, ये इम्प्योर है हमारे पास में, तो जैसे को मिलाएंगे आप रेड कलर आ जाएगा. रेड कलर आने का मतलब है ईथर इज इम्प्योर. रेड कलर ना आए तो ईथर प्योर. प्योर का मतलब है डाइथल पेरोक्साइड इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. Now we go electrophilic substitution. Clear? Aryl ethers due to resonance give ortho and para product like phenol. This is ether molecule. Electron pair of oxygen shifts on ring and it forms in this way. Their pi bond also shifts or it acquires positive character, double bond character. तो यह आपका आ गया नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर. In the same way, clear? This shifts on this and pi bond shift on this position, so it gives negative charge on this carbon. It shows resonance in the same way. It shifts on this carbon and this in this carbon, then negative charge come on the para position. So electron density is maximum on ortho and para position, so it gives ortho and para products. How? I think there are some examples like their halogenation. So it easily gives electrophilic substitutions due to electron density maximum in ortho and para position. Suppose take it on any sol, you react with bromine in absence of iron fillings. Clear? It gives ortho and para product. Remember to it, para product will be major product. Clear? In the same way, we go for nitration. Clear? In nitration, we react with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated nitric acid. Clear? How they react? The NO2 comes on ortho position or para position. Again remember, hence para product will be measure product. In the same way, we go for their Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reactions are two types: alkylation and acylation. First we go alkylation. Alkylation means removal of hydrogen by alkyl group. Like they are taken example, we react with methyl chloride anisole. ये anisole है, phenyl methyl ether. Clear? Friedel-Crafts reaction always done in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride and heat it. What happens? Alkyl group come on the ortho or para position. This is para product and this is ortho product. This is para-methoxytoluene, ortho-methoxytoluene. In the same way, we go Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation means replacement of hydrogen by acyl group, RCO. Suppose we treat with, for this reaction, you can react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Suppose we take an acetyl chloride, what happens? This is broken. This is an acyl group. H replaces by this acyl group on ortho or para position, like there. These groups come. Clear? This is paramethoxy acetophenone and orthomethoxy acetophenone. That's our properties of ethers. हम लोगों ने पढ़ी, ठीक है ना? वो आप एंजॉय करें, बार बार देखें इसको, समझें, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके.